Hi, Greg with DHC Supplies here today to tell you about a great sale we have going on. I'm Matabo framing nailers, siding coil nailer, and a roofing coil nailer package deal. The NV45, NV65, sider, roofer, both have the impact driver in the kit with a battery and charger. The roofer is $295. Siding coil nailer is $359 on sale, and you get the professional grade impact driver, triple hammer, comes in all three of them. The NR83A has the kit actually with the case separate, and the NR83A comes with the flush safety attachment, the depth adjustment if you will, and it is $299 with the kit included on it right now on sale. So while supplies last, links down below on the sale flyers with data sheets, contact information. Come on down or give us a call and grab one. Hope to see you. Thanks.